You can do this with ombre, you can do this with just solid colors, and you can create so many different design, and you can encapsulate with crystals, with glitters, and then with any others too. I can't wait. Even this one, it looks good with doing like a milk bath nails. That's gonna be so awesome. So I'm gonna use the spatula to spread it out first, and I'm gonna using my brush on the other end to blend it together and smoothing it out. All right, so let it give it for just seconds. I'm gonna close this. So I am submerging my brush into the beige gels, and you can see that it's cell level, but it's not running everywhere. It's just cell level, really good and fast, but it's good enough that you don't have to be like, oh my god, it's just running everywhere. So I am going to really gently pat it on and using the belly of my bristle and blend it. It's really easy. You can, if you're doing a whole set of nails, I suggest do one nails at a time and then flash cure first. Just keep the brush flat and you're using the belly of your bristle and blend your velvety gels. All right, so if you're happy with this, we're going to cure, but keep in mind, if you want to do encapsulate anyone, this is a perfect time. You can place your flowers, glitters, anything else you want to. Okay, so cure for 60 seconds and we're moving to the next one. So I am going to using a sky bling. Just get some. If you need more, you can always add more. And just using spatula to spread it out and just brush it, just like blend it. And it's gonna set levels really cool though. Keep in mind, your sky bling you are going to do is crystal clear to cap it. So it looks really cool right now, but it's gonna set level. So simple, easy, and then this either is doing it for your professional in the salons as well as for all the DIYs now lovers. So let's get turned into the other on the brush. We are going to use just a beige gel, just in case you're curious. We're using a beige gel to blending.
This product is called Velvetty Gel.
It's so easy to do and it's set level really fast. And now if you want to encapsulate anything, you absolutely can place like your glitter, more glitters on. If you want to put something on, you absolutely can. I can't wait to show you with the fire and ice sheet. You can definitely add it on if you want to. I think it's super cute, adorable. You can do whatever you want. It's the best time right now. You are adding it on when it's still wet, and then you can cure it. All right, flash cure, and I'm gonna add the crystal clears on it. Just crystal clear first. All right, so we're gonna go in with the crystal clear. This is the first nail we did. We are going to buff it, remove the tacky layer, and buff, shape, and buff it, and then we can do crystal placement. And here the beige gels. I am going to pick the beige gels and pick up the crystal clear. So I am going after 30-second flash cure with the sky bling and with the fine eye sheet. I am going to go in with crystal clear so then I can capture all of the nails, so it's keep the nails nice and smooth without any texture. So well for me, this is going to be a game changer, and it's so easy. The textures, so consistency. And you can see that how it's blend is really well for me already. And it's so easy to buff and to fire, to shape as well. And when you're weighing it, it's gonna feel so nice and light, but it's way stronger. Great. So let's cure for 60 seconds. So make sure you pinch your brush and caps on. Clean it later. Well, it's don't necessary because you already have the beige gels. It clear and it's clean your brush, pinch them and make sure you put the cap on so it won't tear your brush. So I am going to use alcohol to remove tacky layer after 60 seconds here. This will be really good for beginners as well as for is a DIY nail lover. So only you need to do, you can see that how good, it's not even lumpy at all. And I'm gonna shape it on the sides really quick. Take 1 second. And then we can do crystal placements. Same thing with this one. Let me put this one on.